go in your house. This girl no know say this boy na criminal. Nice so. Now God go help many of you now will be women when they carry boy for TikTok, come for house, carry boy for Facebook, you for us, you marry no year, marry no right night, you don't know me for the kono, why can the work no kid. So nobody can say buwa or lie. People put this for plastic rubber. Why? Because of TikTok. If you want, you can carry him, put this. Olokun. Iko. You understand? So my people, now so this guy, this woman don't know what did this guy man. He don't know say this guy na evil. He might be say he might be your door. No women now. The woman was happy. Because they friend this boy. This boy they was they call the greatest woman for her house. This boy never show this woman her own house. In your house when they stay. If he can't spend 2 days, 3 days, he will still come out. Spend 2 days, 3 days, he will still come out. On that very dinner, this guy come the girl house. He knocked to 2 to 3 days. As he want come out now, based on your guy now, you understand? Your guy now, so the guy not get any good say this guy a criminal or get any bad intention towards him. This guy come out for us, okay. Maybe after don't to lock door normal level. But now this guy enter the girl house, enter a wardrobe, pack all the good we get. In your girlfriend, when they live together for the house, empty that one wardrobe, pack all the good we don't want to get. How they contain no see this guy who the guy don't exhaust the house. Now the 600 euros where they get for table. Now they want to go back to the main collect 600 euros. Now you don't see money again. Alpha, who can collect money? Hey, Alpha, Cynthia, you collect money. Cynthia, not collect. Mary, who can collect money for you? Who's the only person who follow this house apart from this guy, Barry? Where Barry don't already move. But before the guy knows what happen, Barry don't block the girl for phone. Barry don't block him. And Barry take money for you. But now there's a search wardrobe. Everything for the wardrobe don't be vim. Both go do, clothes go reach boss panto, jean string where they get it wear. Ya said me pad in the get yami mesis. Again I do love you. You understand? But they get it. Now, after enough calculation, the gold worth 80,000 euros. This guy stole gold worth 80,000 euros. It base. Carry gold, carry jean string, carry pants, carry everything. This guy move. He emptied the woman wardrobe. With the men and say. That's why I carry girlfriend come out today. Because all those jean string and all those pants with the carry with the teeth. So now a girl, now a babe, he go give her to. Now see the babe. Wait with me, I come for this one, but do face like a after say that. On a babe mage, on a bien, on a bien the boy. When a friend do you are here, I go by. On a bien, on a bien. On a bien attaqué par no goji. On a bien attaqué par no goji. Y'a eu des. Aïe des films bon ou avec. Again, on a bien attaqué par no goji. Avec vlog, qu'est-ce qu'on a rien comme sorti. On n'a pas aussi n'a pas de nous à des efficients. Il reste temps. Koji no doge de que no goji doge de ojinya ya que no rigoni que no adwem de a oyi ba ojinya ya te an sumu for national history. Now this guy stole gold worth 80,000 euros for abroad here for Belgium. And as we speak, he has started selling the gold. Due to the investigation that got to me today, they don't say 10,000 euro gold. And that's the reason why me particularly now they urge all those gold sellers waiting for Belgium. We love to buy cheap particles things. We love to buy criminal things. Make una not let the corona picture reach where I do. I go to beat una. Make una watch this guy face now. That's the reason why they shout now, they cry out now on social media. You when they say good for Belgium, for Germany, for Austria, for Italy. You understand? Because me no see they don't can go give you buy. We go ask where for see gold. If possible, go call police on them. And that's the reason why they will sell out for those black people where they sell gold. Una know yourself. Where they buy fake gold for people hand. If they catch this guy, the guy can say now you inside good for. Bama, see, I got to go beat now. Because what's not go do now? Not do person. This guy have thief gold. They sell and they collect the money. They flex the money. They flex the money. The guy will get good now. If we make we running now. We not going on in my UK. Despite we're in the UK. You understand? Which is very, very bad. How can you imagine a grown-up man like this for abroad? Even get picking, you go still derive joy, say you want go thief. Why yara, or we everywhere being woman like black. Everywhere you work at job, we are to wire bibum yoko. You know what wire bibum yoko, but why say we bo oku or tinwani who ever bim yoko. Shame on na. Or tinwani who are bim yoko. No be say we bibum yoko, ya marot one oku. Head to a bibum yoko. And I got to go to here, all about flexi honey. I only were young about no level. Now, my you be. Anyway, forced to go. Oh, no, you go near the good to keep you over. Investment a good thing. Then you will not go to a woman house. The same you, why say, when we sadeka your way, can you imagine? The woman go enter kitchen, go cook for you. You go eat. You go eat for that house. You go bath for that house. You will salokuna, you will scream. Because then you will still have that mind to still steal from that same woman. You say you be devil. See, I will your mom, be careful because this kind of man, you leave your daughter with him, you go finger around. I test you, single mothers, know the kind of man where you carry. Many men will feel this talk now, animal debut. I can go big or very talking now. And then why? Because when we want so and the same man they sleep to talk or we or maybe Olivier one of them that when they deport go Nigeria, you just sleep to go to sleep or to go to snap for talk after months frustration because reasonable and sensible man okay we go the program in daily life of living. You know we can push one thing just sleep off online on hair. They snore on hair. You understand? Why we then wamulawa? Know the kind of men you associate yourself with. The kind of men you associate yourself with. Because I was here, men, I do a saga one after the other. I go to beat them one by one. Unless they go just they come and they give me the information as they do once they diagnose information they give me so here we have information one by one or whether I come and whether I'm going bam leave the rest for me. Because the boy 90 were collecting 80,000 euros. Or when nothing they happen, they cannot fit do anything. You know if you walk now. If you don't see anything back, and then what that's a on me on. I must have been a key as year by year. These are the men with the spread men name for abroad. These are the men with the spread Benin men name for this giant. We make our women they look us less. We make our women not get respect for us. Tell me how woman are going to get respect for man. Woman does suffer for years. With that 80,000 euro when they say that this guy thief so you see na this year, you see na last year, now this guy work this money. We're surprised when they get like or yeah, hustle you gonna delegate not keep. It's a future purpose. Then you just wake up or you know waiting your boyfriend. Think you milk beer. You could just enter the woman house. just loot everything. Tomorrow we expect that woman to be sincere, comfortable with one man. With the give me all the way we don't genuinely love her. These are the kind of men no beke love you the heart or say no go na gbe track. Agun agbe but give me goni. Ogun egbe bon we. E wa gbe bi do ni fun. Wa ya wo no gbe but not gbe but man no gbe no gbe wa. No bon we. No bo yi woto. That's the truth. Because enema or hati menoku no obiji meyeri menoku or be afia iguna. Do you think I will be happy? And that's what I'm put myself to really deal with this idiot. Because we get many for our women for this abroad. Not a wuyo bonik ma. But because of this kind of nuisance, they will not love to support a man again. We are ended relationship. List. I buy you blazer. I buy you posters. I buy you wig. So I very vieux mamere. Woman have vieux mamere. Soon return my polo. So I low boy. You could know what was here. This kind of animal. You understand? A babu knew it done. No nanina. Also no sesini. Also na me we equally magoni you boni bia. How can you stole 80,000 euros? A gold worth of 80,000 euros from a woman. Then you will see nothing happen. Who believe who we are to our ragbona here me? Who been no here dig boy? Who been no here dig boy? Which is very bad. Either if you move here, for me, show you beleri, or you war. The address of where in Nigeria go only body no address of where in Nigeria. That's what I'm looking for. Hey, a picture didn't get the picture now. They have to forward the picture like that. Let me see. Now the guy with his friend with this one. Well, I know this one who they also do the talk to. Now why would he talk? These are the froster. Now see this man. Now see this one so. We wear beat for neck. Now your friend, now the boy, and the boy put in any life so. They live on TikTok. Wait, but you what there? Near here, at the Paraparo ya Oji, on ya Hossi. Now, Ossi nothing. And two of the day life for TikTok so. The boy will take 80,000 euro. Gold worth of 80,000 euro. Now we wear glass. Now your friend, we wear bead, we can't be a beer. Now if you don't now beer my because in your naya, if you are now, it's talking on one dog, to talk about you know, in your banana now. Me, I come here to come repel now with the evil men. Evil men with they frustrate our women. Now here for one disgrace now. You see them, now here for the fine woman. Here guy with the beauty camera here, TikTok in eh. Abi who name the bottle. Abi who know the desperado. Gumedo sister. Ye gumedo sister. Iya go le Kenya. Abi desperado women. Eya de kwa dana. Abi bene gbogbe na. Bene ma ni gbe. Useless men. These are the useless men. If you are doing zoo and you were ni money, if you don't any ni Riani, our Guiana, there. Obiera Uji. Obiera Uji, Isaiah Obiera Uji, no soon with the Neboroa. You are going to be good. No, you are doing 8,000 euros. On a de bantivio. Et quand mes fils et bien au Yambi, on a si lekba. On a dit coin. This criminal. You don't want to return him. I'll ban away. Is this fair? They are not concerning Biana. Bianibu ya lock up now. They know cut on ya goyo. They are send the request in there. Ya must send the request in Magoyo. Or how wait be ban. It may have been a good do. It have been a good do. Because you have why. It have been a good do. Now, their own fellow guy, man, they don't thief woman now. Our men are the lock up. None of them want talk puts. None of them want talk. The man now, they frustrate woman now. None of them want talk puts. Now, woman, they beat yours now. You see me go fall out. You understand me now? If you name man on one time, you are continue to disgrace them. They are disgrace here. We are here. Here is talking to you. Here is zo boloha. Ah, ya go aliku. Iku ni gwe, iku ni nego. Ya frustrate. Ya fraud. You will see them on TikTok. No, you have betu. Oh, you have betu. No, make you have fraud. Iku. Even I mean, just look at the two of them. Two friends. Then you ever. Awa takparak pa no bioji. Then you ever. Venez Isaiah Manadi Tony 80,000 euros. Who give you Brazil? Who give you Panto? You pack Brazil come out, you pack Panto come out. It's not a business. I don't give an F with that. But you see that euro, that's 80,000 worth of gold where you stole. You return it to the owner. Peace go your day. If you don't return the pad, you don't return the Brazil, you don't return the G-string, you don't concern me. I mean Brazil is equal to no care by no way kiss me here. Because I go calculate the same, and I'm in that you fuck the girl, you go pay put. Because he has a saga, unless he has my address when more me grave will have with Rabuni. Due to my investigation, your paddock by your part grave I will root and come out. I will come out. Can you imagine? You go the girl house, you lash the girl. That night, not 3 rounds ago. We are salary, and the bill I said to talk sweet. Can we have beginning? We begin with the bag we have here. We are the body winner. You enter the girl wardrobe, loot all the gold when the girl gets. Still collect the money. Collect money, Jonah. Theater, te waka. Esa. Who don't have Brazil? Both pad. Why a pad yao? You want to carry the pad? Go give your wife. You still thief the okay pad, thief pants, thief bra. Join the $80,000 where you still carry. You are a useless man. You are a very useless man. To over. To over. What dog yao? Avec any fraud wo. Avec any right wo. Men with the thief women money. Man with the thief woman, you go lash the woman finish, you go enter the woman wardrobe. Thank God for the woman say you not drug that woman. The woman back to the we first still talk and say 2-3 weeks, everywhere go still silent. Everywhere go still silent. This is how our men they frustrate our women for abroad. Why they see say most of these women become beasts. They don't care about the women, about the men. They don't get respect for men because our men are no longer men, they are not criminals. How can you be a man, a woman you toast for so long? Woman you said you love. Woman will sincerely open up for you. You sleep with the woman sincerely. And at the end of the day, you fraud the woman. You rob the woman. You rob her. Rob the woman worth of 80,000 euros. Then you say nothing they happen. The woman not fit do it because she's not a woman. You say no level. The woman not fit do anything. And you they impersonate. You impersonate IAs. All your information is there my phone. I don't let them go, man. Whereas you be Jew, you dey impersonate. You know, I go when it is you didn't have me. Thank you very much for the gift. You understand? Every man on one side. Because with this attitude, tell me the woman will go sincerely love man, open up to man. Woman suffer, buy good, keep for his house. He might keep those good for the purpose of his children, future. Then one useless boy will not get sense, just enter your life. Real life. And you think to be well, it will never be well with you. I will the big man away. It's shop era let me go. Everywhere, oh yeah, let me go. Is you or let me go. Unless you will return those good. Where you sack man on young one and buy me your life. Baby, near you. Hey, near you. You have to go with people who press up. You have to press up. Because unless again knock away. Again, you caraway. Awe amani kwama. Ewe again a makarawe. Ukenye bowe tindi nwavi weji. Monwa webi. Ukenye bowe a bury we one after the other. Because enough is enough. Why didn't it to nor you zanki manik nieto near Nigberuwe? Yes. You are the women, you will impregnate a woman, you will turn the woman to a baby mama. The same way, or you are fraudulent. Jumping from one hotel to another, or soon for national peace to read. But my people, I agree to now better start, not be small thing. But I think they parody me. They see this guy. Every year we call here, man do am po a guy now. Man do a lay cost nya. Me mo pichi yon ba yo, me pichi guy now. A guy not by this in French so. Me I put a picture here. Asoke ne yugu. This one clear pass, abi? This one clear pass. The near now say. Now clear say. Now we have that's now bomb. Every evening, amen. And the yari buta. Why they go there happy? This show me the name of Gualo. A go there the Murphy or we my iron man will the Murphy not lost any good. Now propaganda. One is not take money for your hand. From the line where a good here we good yeah move good. That one again. That one say na thief na come in house. Two Igbo na come in house come rob. But last person we call the person thief na two black. One woman, one man. Which all of you know for this social media? Even this month, I still fight for that matter. That matter, I still talk about the matter on my platform. And I still talk about the matter. Even next week, I was talking about that same matter. Because now justice, who stole the stolen gold? Now, minimum the stolen gold. We are in part 20. Part 20, now we do for the stolen gold for the Murphy. And the Murphy by saying we get good jobs, indoor rest. But me not rest. And now, we see the family different. We go Nigeria or 7 markets for Nigeria for Benin now we can follow. We go palace, go by palace. Go at Osumba, we shall also by the city lock at Osumba. Osumba has been suspended because now many forests are every day. Everything in my page. It was always recorded live for the stolen gold. Now this one now, who your thief and we don't see any this one. This one a thief. This one thief in you. This one not be a demon for you. You understand? How can a grown-up man like this that with children for abroad. Derives joy say na thief you want call the thief for abroad. He just look up and down. You not see what he the thing they wonder me. But even at this kind of water, now I drink. Or but if not champagne, they hungry, me I not see money to buy champagne. And at this water, but now my money carry. I go buy this water. You feel me so? If he get as in the B, say he don't get abuse. Oh yeah, I go buy the water. Manager as it be. When I get money, I go buy champagne. Then for you to so low, you go to thief. It is better you ask. Ah, baby, far. I need money. No know if you borrow me. Say no, I beg. If you say one or two good, make it solve my problem. I will pay you back. If I don't make the money, I go buy the gold for you back. It is simple. The girl goes, okay, no problem. Or she goes, I don't know if you do it. It's totally involved. Either I say yes or no. Then you let go. This gold now, you talk about now, this 80,000 euros gold now. If this guy, this money to take for this guy hand, it take just 2 months. Now, maybe it tests you. If this money to take for this guy hand, 2 months, you're going to say he will save the gold. No, you not save everything. 2 months. If you $80,000 there with this guy and are flexing, before 2 months, you don't blow and finish. You carry a shower for inside. You go rent car, go rent massive car. Now, see the way this guy they catch our women. Hello guys, listen to the info. As I do this video so make una sit down and learn. Not they look the insult. Pick the sense as a woman we get sense. Pick the sense, make they follow up. Because most of these guys info don't diagnose and give me. You know I just need them Nigeria now they fine. In wait till they operate here. Don't deal with me for hand. When they get they operate for abroad here. This guy will say so. He go disguise like big ball. Whereas to level, you go rent massive car to the cruise town. You know, say our women like car. They like guys when they get car, when they drive car. They like a fizzy guy. We get swag. We get fizzy. We get star. We get skis. They like guys like that. Most of all those babes people say they the who, especially those who say they go road walk. Yes, now no me and the cure and they talk about what's beef. Clear. When they get to talk nyash. So they like guys. What's the waiting they don't be. They put their sense in the B. So they like them. Then he don't get that info. So the ways to catch big babes and to show big things, to live big, is not get skis. So you go rent massive car. We be say 20 years to go in of it by that motor. God. If you don't rent her, now see where to catch this guy. This guy come down from airport. Now you go use motor to pick him. Open and get that motor now like and rent rent. You feel me so? So as the guy see and say now big boy now, you know, big boy they do big things. Carry big car come. The guy feel say the guy they okay, the guy who you understand. You know, most of our women they happy. My girl, if you can't come, my guy they drive, don't go point to, you know. Even your friend, even the jealous say, my sister, I got one for you, boy. This is your guy. Oh, this is your guy. Did well. Price not lie you. Now packaging and set up. But you as the woman, you not gonna know. You will be the woman. You not gonna say this is the way we're getting it set up and set itself up to catch women. Then you go just flow. Now you go with the motor that you go buy for that motor. You go put it for the car, you go they cruise you for town, they drive, they flex the goal, you go see now he really get the car. Or no need to you say he borrowed the car. He rented the car for car stand. Now cruise town. Oh boy, you don't follow, and you go let me love you, this, you want just marry and get baby, but you know with the woman again, you know. Oh man, let's go there. Now we both born for her, or you both number for us, because now we both see born for her and it get darky. You know, they mention the dark you. Now the Oyibo, now Oyibo you stay with them, Oyibo they stay. So that you don't go feel they come in house. See the scope when they use for women. It goes tell the women say, Now him and Oyibo, the girl that they leave. So you know they stay with Oyibo. So that you know if they come in house. But you want black woman, we go deal with her, we go born for him, we go get for her side. So you as a woman, you go be happy, say, your guy. You understand? Hoping say, may bring for a book side, can't give you men a shop. Or no, you say that your own need. You know, girl, no, you when they stay with you, no level, no OE, not to now, bo. God. They see this clue where the guy they use to get your four, go your put leg for her, go cook with for her, go and raise better food, now go flex, now go enjoy. Go put toto well for her, go knock better start. All this why it targets you, they observe what you get, they ask you questions, you want to know deeper about you. Terror investigation going to go on you. Going to work terror investigation on you without you knowing that the person you call a guy is a deadly criminal. You want to know everything about you, want to know you, want to know what you have, want to know your code, every detail about you go get them. Now, once you don't get them, bagam, you go strike. And once the strike, OT law, you don't go, they don't block your about it. Mission accomplished. They go dump you. You go move on to the next level. Next, and next person. now just the way the thing display. Now many of you no go know. Now the way they get they run their own package with that one. The way they run their own package with all these women with that one. Unfortunately, now this one go wrong, so now go wrong the wrong person. Now they can't draft this guy after I post a picture today. Oh mom. And so many call me, bros, I see the picture you post to. That guy a criminal. Now still got the deal. Now still got the deal. Now still got the deal. He did on that Stuttgart. He did for Luvensburg. On that Stuttgart. Now the guy deal. Get a criminal. Here? I say sure. This guy. Say yes. Now so he thief. So he thief this one. So you collect one more money. So, oh, but don't be smart. Agree. But having a wase now. What can you talk by you, Germany? This guy go no get marriage. This same guy, he was in a no-gay marriage. Hello? And this same guy is impersonating Ayes. I think I check. Let me check. Me and not go make mistake. So this come matter. With the quality, not because kind of thief now. Now you are bad worry. I'm not saying you do those nonsense. Because all you detail they draft and come for me today. Magam. Yes, now is. So you see, which is very, 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 very bad. You know what I'm saying? So as you're watching this video, please share the video. Share the video. What is bad is bad. If it ain't my what understand me now? Double tap on your screen as you're watching me. I just came here. I will make sure say I disgrace this guy to the fullest and I get details of a family for Nigeria. Get the details of family for Nigeria. This people are still carrying come here. I they carry and they come here. I'll go video pass. The guy now. I'm an show example with social media now. You know, we'll stop this nonsense. You don't frustrate many women for so long. I did for Facebook just now. Somebody said this guy collect his sister 4,500 euros. 4,500 euros. He run, block his sister. As you see the picture of Facebook just now, all of the shots. Someone forward the video, go give sister, say, oh boy, I about this man can come on. You understand? Which is very, very bad. It's not good. How much, what do you want gain? If you like get all the millions of euros for this abroad, Baba, now why don't you want sleep? A good name is better than riches. You understand? Woman opening her mind, they follow you, cook for you, put you in the house, give you food. At the end of the day, now for you to thief the woman gold worth 80,000 euros. You know how many years ago it would take woman when they do a shower now to work 18,000 euros? No, we tell ourselves the truth. See, Baba, how many years it would take woman to work 80,000 euros now starting from today? That woman go old. After tax and everything. After tax and everything, how the woman go take work that kind of money, come feed children, come feed family for Bogo? You put pain for that kind of person body. Tell me how you go fit a day well with you. Your own fellow black woman, your own fellow Benin sister, the same you carry for call and say you love her, you did this one, you toast her, you deceive this woman. Now, as we speak now, I did my room now. They talk the vibes. All my phone are on. Anybody is free to call my line and go pick. But you don't feel the pick call again. Anybody call you, they block them. You are not safe. The food you are eating now, you don't have joy eating that food. You see me now, they will drink, they will tire. I go drink comfortably from my house. I know they panic. Tell me where I'm not going to get flow of blood, flow entry from my body. You know the reason why? Because I get rest of mind. I get peace of mind. I know they eat food, they bear mat, go here, go here, go here. And they eat food, they look window, they peep up and down. Is that a life? And a grown up man like this deserve to live a life where you don't go get peace? A life where you will enter, you will use face cap, the cover face. Life where you know if you say, guy, what's the level of that? Will not stay for 30 minutes for train station. And you call that one life? Who born this idiot? Why some of all these men don't get sense? Why now you feel like say to give yourself stress? Tomorrow you can't go down and they'll call maybe they call it do your burial. Maybe they call it do candle night for you. The candle night you candle night. How can you imagine a man frauding your own woman you call your own girlfriend? What do you want gain? So as you collect that money, that woman go hang herself. She go die. You go be happy to go. You go be happy. Say you don't collect that, you don't fraud that woman 80,000 euros. Then you don't see it that Wayana will say. This is the reason why the Buyan will say. If you name my man, you know the funniest part, not direct everywhere. Some of our men know see this guy a criminal. When you ask the question, they go they hide. They go they cover up for him. As we speak, man will see the cover up for this kind of guy. I just look somehow, shake my head. To even go show you where this guy has the, so people go see the charge money. So they must pay 1,000 euro first before you go show person where this guy has it. For that say Germany. Some of you no go that way. But I so I be one so. Malala go alo wadibu. Ik be my go that go alo here. Who I go wanara? You know say this person na thief. Your guy na thief. Then you go cast. Bro, Alpha, I want to see him. You see, you will show people where he has the, maybe they pay you 1,000 euro first. Some of you not be animal. For real. Not be animal. I dey wonder how they get joy with all this evil you guys are doing, with all these criminal things what they do. How do they get joy? Because person like me, I don't forget if I'm not there happy, things don't go down with me. When I'm angry, I don't always take care, only take care. That's why they say, I want you, my baba with this man. Or they love to this man, they love to enjoy myself. No time to check time, no dominate my present. Yet here I say I want. All my men, they sharp belly. For yourself, I not see. Now you can't come and broke all the stress yourself. Now I don't get stretch mark. I don't feel stretch myself when I don't get stretch mark. Papa go enjoy, I go jolly myself. You were good at thief, and you want to get peace. Now you don't sleep well. You can't sleep with your 2 eyes closed. As As you do on your own house, now I will tell you, stop. Not going to stay. That's to let you know, so the money now, you want to squander the money, you want to squander. No, say, you want to use the money, do one better thing now. See the money, you just have to invest. You just have to open one company. You just have to do one business, not day. And nobody can ever trust you anymore. Nobody. I just pity some of our people. The way that they do things. Once they see money, they'll say life don't finish. No integrity. They will just forget about their integrity. They don't even get that money. Money will bring shame and disgrace for you. Money will bring insult. It will bring setback on your life. You will get the money, not use and hit chest for public. Say, yes, I don't fit do this thing as a man. You go use and hit your chest, say, I don't do this thing. And as you talk and say, the be. Mommy JJ, or go to your package, I'm going to do my platform. E mo JJ. Ashawo adotro suma. When wa borrow with our lay, when I no go to go to track. When they want to see adotro suma on my platform. You know, be a man, no be a man, you bump picking, no, the more you bump picking for. Today, I'm going to get her. Next one, an American burger get her. Yeah. Dirty woman. I don't want to see my platform. What's the wrong? Because your matter never finish. Your matter just depending. Matter you have we are matter you see no. You might share with my guy. That boy be. Or money wa mu gidun sage. Be do me agbo ya is agbo that which way. So should be like an agbo. My so much way. Wa on at frank. Won ka agbo jina. Ojina say na impossible matter. Na ka gbojina ya igbere. Until you go to the gbe okera be mi noji. E jo wo yin anji. Mo gidi musage a gbe oho. Wa we di ni test you money and bi ni. Wa na te frank. Ya pe gogo iwo mu. You collect wuto. You will need dignity for your children. There you don't get us of mine. Ashawo. Olososho. Olo wele. Ashi wele we negi. We no podogo. We neg modon. What. You understand? No my drink. You feel me so? Which is very bad. If you name my man, we have to say the way it is. Isaiah return the money, the gold. Where you go? Isaiah Obiran, aka Barry. Now Barry the one I put for Germany. A Barry no barrier. A Barry no jebo. A Barry na takparakpa do bioji. A Barry no osun we ne worowa. Why call the ginya? Where you a gbe oho you don't fit get peace of mind. When you eru we go tell you anyone ari ni go ni o ha gbogbo e. Igo no nya kimya me you egbe. Igo no nya kimya me egbe. Igo no nya we like 6 feet. And then we have a who yeah we Daniel you do so that get you with live video you do enjoy. Because you are a useless son. You are a useless son from a useless family. From a round family. Egbe danu kiri. Egba takparakpa do gyoji. Egbe ni gye mwade wodora. Egbe ni gye mwade wodora. You are a useless son. Osi dada fiyawu. Ira yu mato. Iya fiyawu. Ira yu eti ya fiyawu mato. How can you fraud your own girlfriend? And you want peace today? Oh, now, Bano, I want to Bano. 200 years, they are saga. Useless one. Cabona. 200 years, you are. I have Babu. Who made draw?